pain she says hurts. Like state officials, she too hopes rain is coming soon. Unfortunately, forecasters say.
We appreciate you tuning in to your local member station. You can also find us on social media. You can visit the Morning Edition Facebook page.
This is the public radio service of
Turn
Western
left on Kentucky
University.
100, then
You're
exit
listening
right.
at All details on a judicial race in Kentucky that could affect the makeup of the state Supreme Court. We'll focus on what former President Donald Trump was doing during the attack on the U.S. Don't get your hopes up. That doesn't mean it's going to be cool, just a little less hot.
Sessions Radio. We'll revisit a special performance with the Misty Mountain String Band.
Take the exit on the right to I-65 South.
In 1,000 feet, merge onto I-65 South.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flaws, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up when they gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Nandito ako sa Flying J, St. Agate, Manitoba, before sa Winnipeg. Galing ako sa Winclair, Manitoba, nag-pick up doon para sa yung Toronto load ko. Yung experience ko kanina, first time ko experience na yung blowing snow. Yung mga nakikita ko sa YouTube na yung blowing snow na ang hirap makita ang daan. Poor visibility.